Formula Botanica's Diploma in Organic Skincare Formulation is our foundation course that will help you change your life by teaching you how to make organic skincare and set up the business of your dreams. You won't have to blindly follow recipes anymore without understanding how the ingredients or formulations work. We give you the knowledge to design and make your own skincare. Become a professional organic skincare formulator with our award-winning online diploma. Learn how to create your own range of organic cleansers, toners, moisturisers, oils, balms, lotions, creams, gels, masks, scrubs and more. Study the anatomy of the skin. Learn how to research ingredients like a formulator. Follow our winning formula for creating unique organic skincare. Practice the blending of essential oils and, most importantly, get to grips with the legalities of selling your skincare products anywhere in the world. Receive a list of cosmetic suppliers with recommendations crowdsourced from our global community of students. When you successfully complete your course, you will receive a certificate of completion and a course badge to proudly show the world that you are a Formula Botanica graduate. Enroll for our Diploma in Organic Skincare Formulation and gain access to our award-winning and accredited e-learning platform. We give you 2 years to comfortably complete this 8-module online course. There has never been a better time to start your organic skincare brand. Learn how to create unique, effective, natural and organic formulations and start the skincare business of your dreams by studying with Formula Botanica.